Welcome everyone to Man Talks with Foster. On this platform, as we all know, we discuss personal finance, business, and entrepreneurship. We also discuss anything that have to do with making money. Today, I'm going to give people 3 of the best ways that you can use to come up with your deep financial crisis, to come up with your financial mess that you are into. You may have into it because you don't know, or it was just because of a mistake, or it was just because of a natural disaster. Don't worry. But take note, I'm not a financial advisor. If you seek any financial advice, please do so by looking for an accredited financial advisor out there, those that have been accredited by the regulators. Okay, when you are in a financial crisis, most people tend to panic. Worry not. The first thing that you need to do is to be honest. Once you are honest, you have to go back to those people who you owe and come out clean. Tell them the reason why you're into this messy and try to negotiate a new payment plan. In most cases, when you come out clean and explain to them the reason why you have been in this mess, the reason why you are failing to meet financial obligations, it might be due to the unanticipated decline in your cash flow, or it might be due to the reason that you don't even know. In most cases, they are willing to offer you a new payment plan. Once you are given a new payment plan, try to negotiate a new payment plan that you are comfortable with, that you knew that you are going to meet. In most cases, people tend to lie, and when they lie, they try to look for another new credit in order to offset the current obligation and look for another credit in order to offset the current obligation. But in most cases, when the cycle continues like that, there is a situation when you will fail to come out of it. So come clean now. This is the best option. Ensure that you are honest and look for a new payment plan. Try to explain the reason why you are looking for a new payment plan and try to give the dates according to your expectations on when you are going to have cash flow. At least it will help. Another option you may consider is to sacrifice part of your expenditure and take that money and offset your current obligations. Most people tend to continuously live a lavish lifestyle until they become bankrupt. It is because they don't want to sacrifice some part of expenditure in order to offset obligations. We have types of expenditure that are not life-threatening. For example, most people goes out on weekend, some goes out drinking, clubbing, some goes out fishing, hunting, and traveling. These are the things that you need to consider sacrificing. Take that money, try to offset your obligations, because you'll be humiliated one day when the bank, when a microfinance, or when an individual comes to you with a court order, take your car, take your house, and sell it at a forced value. You would rather want to sacrifice now than to be humiliated. You may also consider trying to offer something of value in exchange of your obligations. It works, and it works in many instances. You may have something that you think have got a particular value, but you are finding it hard to sell. For example, you own a company, but the company have got you into this mess because you have been borrowing, but the cash flow are not as favorable in order to offset obligations. You may decide to offer part of your equity or shares as part to offset your obligations. These have worked for many people, so it might also work for you. But if you don't have a company, you may also have, for example, real estates. You may have 3, 4 houses, you may have 3, 4, 5 cars, or you may have something that is of value, of your sentimental value, that you may give a third party, hold on to it, whilst you are looking for cash flow to offset your current obligations. You may also consider debt cancelling out there. There are people who are waiting for that. There are people who are willing to help you come out of your debt crisis. They may negotiate new payment plans with understandable interest rates, or they may help you offset that current obligations in exchange for something. Many people have been in these situations where financially it is not anticipated and things goes bad, but you need to find a solution to come out of it. These are the three of the best ways that you can follow in order to come out of your financial solution. It's up to you to choose either one or all of them. We all need to come out of a financial solution one way or the other. Thank you for watching this video until the end of it. Please, if you never subscribe, please subscribe, share and like. Until tomorrow, goodbye.